In this video, I'm going to explain to you everything about how you use our digital milk thermometers, how you change the batteries, if something goes wrong, how you set temperatures, everything will be explained. So we've got two models of our digital thermometer. I've got it on right now. To turn it off, you hold the power button, turns off. Turning it on by holding the power button. This here is the Fahrenheit model, and this here is the Celsius model. The whole thing is wrapped in a silicone sleeve, and you take the sleeve off if you want to change the batteries, which we'll do in just a second. But first, let me go through the various steps of using this thermometer. So you use the minus button or the plus button to go through the presets 140, 150, 160, which is 60, 65, 70 on the Celsius one. If you want to set the temperature of something very specific, you double click the power button. You can see it's blinking 140, and then you can change it to any exact temperature that you want. You hit the power button again, and it's set at that temperature, 142 in this case. Now let me show you the clip. The way this clip works is it goes on a milk jug like so. You usually slide it like that. And then when you are steaming milk, you put your thumb there to hold it in place, right? Otherwise it will slide about. You usually want the probe to go close to the bottom, so you'll need to adjust it a little bit. The way you do that is you squeeze this and you move it forward. When you let go, it stops, right? So I'm going to take, I'll take the other one here that doesn't have the clip, because to take the sleeve off, you need to have the clip off. So this sleeve just comes right off, like so. Okay? And I'm just going to take it off completely. What I'm doing now is changing the battery. And you'll see the Decent milk thermometer logo, the word open, and two little bumps right there. Now to take the batteries out, you twist it counterclockwise. Twist the top counterclockwise. And you might see here it says LLL. Okay? The LLL is a problem some people have if they don't fit the top on correctly, because what it means is that the connection between the top and the bottom is poor. It doesn't mean low battery, it means that there's an error. So if you get LLL, the thing to do is to take the top off and then try and put it back on again so that the connection is good. So here I am taking this off here, and you'll see that the batteries are here. What you'll want to do is usually get something small, like a pen, that you poke in here. A nail will work, but it's not easy. And put batteries in, and then to put them back, put the top back in, you need to find the Decent Espresso logo, the open, like that, and you just slide it, and you'll see these two bumps. There's a bump there, bump here. The bumps slide together, boom, and you're good. You can see the thermometer is once again working. Now, something else that happens with these thermometers is they are not waterproof, they're water resistant. So if the display starts being weird, like there's missing digits, or the thermometer stops working completely, you probably actually haven't destroyed the thermometer. The problem is water has gotten in that needs to dry out. So once again, if you get no display or bad display, you got water into the thing, what you do is open it up, take the batteries out, and let it dry overnight. Now, yesterday we actually did this. We had a new person come in and dunk both thermometers under water to wash them. Forgot to tell them not to do that. They both were dead. Next day, these are actually the thermometers. We just let them dry, and they're just as good as before. So once again, Decent Espresso to open, like that. Click, and you're good. Thermometer works. And then to put the sleeve back on, just put it through the hole like that, and then click. That's pretty much everything there is to do with these thermometers.